if I wanted to kind of make this one a red rose, then this is very red. And this is what I use when I'm painting red roses to get rid of the chalky looking highlights.
Oh my gosh, that really looks pretty on pink.
But, so this just creates a kind of a reddish pink.
Yeah.
But you see how much it can change. But, and then another highlight that I have used for reds is fiery red. You see fiery red. There.
Yeah. Oh, no, that's tomato.
Is that the white lid? Is it the one with the white lid?
Probably.
The one with the right,
right there. Okay, this
It was
looks
too
like,
plain, I couldn't see that.
this looks like the most awful color you've ever seen in your life.
I love it.
But it's
It
good
really makes
for,
red pop.
it's good for reds. And see, it looks pink on the palette, kind of a hot pink, but get that dry. Turn on your fan and blow that dry. That looks good. I think it's, yeah, that's dry. Dry enough. But if you use this to, it doesn't, to me it doesn't highlight, it just goes over your highlights and makes them pop more than highlighting. But do you see how bright that is? When you put it over red, it's really bright. And it just looks like a
neon.
putrid neon, but then when you get it on, you see how it brightens things up. And it looks better when you put it over true red and not pink. It's great for reds. In fact, that's what it's for, is for highlighting reds.
I love it on Christmas too.
And they also make it's a green, I can't remember what they call it, what the name of it, but it's a green, and I think they have a yellow now,
They have like
orange,
yeah,
and they have a whole bunch, but you see how that, but that over red, it really does make it look good. In fact, I used it on one of my charts here, has neon on it. It didn't show up well when I copied it. That one. And this one has some neon red. See, it's got that fiery red to highlight it. So you see the difference when you look here at this. You see it looks a little bit chalky there. And then if you wash it with the berry red, and then come back with the neon, you've got your highlights. But but when I copied this one, I scanned it in. It didn't copy as well, so I went ahead and did a different one, different step by step for that one. So now, other questions, other roses, other